I have to hold it up.
Why not?
You know what? We'll have the next question, please. If you can follow the rule now. Why? Okay, wait. Guys, go ahead. Why? She cannot follow the rule. Go ahead. There is a rule. Okay, yeah. Hold down. Yeah, go ahead. Okay. We got that question now. Hold on now.
I have to see the senator.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Go.
Easy.
Go.
Can we have the next question, please?
No,
Go ahead, please. Go ahead. I'll talk to you first.
I have the right. Don't ever touch me. Don't ever touch me.
You got that question. Security first. Get her out. Security. Security.
I know my right.
I know. We have a lawyer here. Yeah.
The senator. I listen to him.
Go ahead.
You are
Okay, what's your question? Okay, what's your question?
Go away.
You see,
Please go away.
everyone agrees that somebody holds the mic.
Okay,
That's how we are the one.
Go away. I'm gonna ask a question.
Okay.
Go away. Go away.
Can you ask them? Go ahead.
I'm not touching. I won't touch it.
Get out. Get
So what's the
out.
question again? Okay, go
Get
ahead.
out. Get out.
Okay, step up. One step. Just one step now. One step. One step first. One step up. Go ahead. Okay, go. Let's start.
I want to see him.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, start.
Okay.
I'm the MC though. I'm the organizer. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead. Sige lang. Go ahead.
Then you stop. Okay. I listen to the senator because I believe if you respect the person, you will respect with that person. Okay? Now, nag-iinit na ako pero sige, tutuloy ko.
Go ahead.
Sabi niyo po kanina, Mr. Senator, okay, na nandito kayo para, hindi pala kanina, sa mga previous interview ninyo, na lumalaban kayo sa fake news. Tama po ba?
Go ahead. Finish your question.
Ngayon po, gusto ko lang itanong sa inyo, huwag niyo ako madaliin, okay? Gusto ko lang po tanungin sa inyo na bakit pagpasok pa lang namin, may prejudgment na kaagad kayo na nakahiwalay ang Pro Duterte, nakalakay. Sorry po. Sorry diba? I'm so sorry.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry po. Hindi ko po kayo magalit. Hindi ko kayo na. Friend tayo kanina, nagkita tayo sa labas. So anyway, ganito po yun. So yun yung... Okay. Ang question ko po... Ang question ko is... Okay. Bakit kayo... Sabi ninyo, kanina ayaw nyo akong payagan mag-video. Kasi gusto nyo pigilin ang karapatan ko bilang citizen. Ngayon, ano po ba? Saan kayo? Okay, listen.
Ano po yung question? Go ahead.
Doon sa Senado, ay pinatayan nyo po ng mikropono ang isang senador. Okay? At pinigilan nyo para i-ere ang kanyang, kung ano man yung gustong sabihin ng Senator Cayetano. Bakit dito gusto nyo pa rin tigilan? At bakit saan kayo humuhugot ng lakas ng loob? Siya yun!
Okay, go ahead. I think we're done, right?
Saan kayo humuhugot ng lakas ng loob?
Okay.
Okay, para ipigilin, okay, ang mga Pro-Duterte supporters.
Okay, that's right. Okay,
No.
Okay, go ahead.
At gusto ko, last
Sige na po.
Last piece.
We'll give in 1 minute now.
Last piece.
And that's the time. Sige na po. Go ahead.
Gusto ko lang po sabihin sa lahat ng ano dito,
Sige na po.
that Duterte
Sige
is
na po.
the bringer of change and hope. Now I'm gonna sit down. The president, let him answer you back. Okay, you answer. Eh, mga reforms nyo eh. Doon pa lang, hinaharangan nyo na kami.
Allowing everyone to ask a question. We are allowing.
Tumigil ka na yan! Okay. Salamat po.
Oh, listen. Okay, tahimik na tayo. Yan yung chat.
Sasagutin ko lang.
Sige.
Ma'am, ganito ano, sa akin kasi, in fact, itong forum na ito ay sinabi na open. Hindi nga pinagbawal. The fact na nakapasok ko kayo dito, it's because I want to engage with you also. And yung pagka-classify, organize, meron rules yung organizers. Wala din po akong masasabi doon. So I'm just, kumbaga
Sumusunod po tayo sa rules.
abiding by the rules. ngayon po itong, so, hindi po ako
Nakikinig nyo. Nakikinig po ako sa inyo.
Sige na po, you had your chance. Please sit down.
Nakikinig po ako sa lahat ng
Sit down,
sinabi
sit
ninyo.
down.
Huwag niyo
Sit down,
ako
sit down.
sinabi.
Hold on. Guys, ito po.